Hello, math team. I want to share another digital resource that is free for all of this distance learning. It is through NCTM Illumination, so illuminations.nctm.org. While there are lessons, the lessons are not what is free. You can pay you can join NCTM, and with your membership, you can get lessons. So if you do find that that's something that you might want to do, then by all means. But what is free, if you go to illuminations.nctm.org, are the interactives. So anything that is interactive for the students to see. Right, so there are a couple highlights. Some are for younger students and so forth. Euler's line, if this makes sense for like geometry, Pythagorean theorem, and relationships with circles. So this is relevant to geometry. The way that you can search through it is even from the main page. You can click interactives, but I found that it's easier for you to go like over here on the right hand side. Select interactives at the top, put 9 through 12 so you only get results for high school, and then click the subject that you're interested in. Right now, I'm interested in geometry, and algebra is headed to statistics and probability, so I'm going to hit search. And then you see a lot of really cool things here. So this one right here actually allows students, it looks like, to do box plots, bubble graphs, scatter plots, histograms. So this could be really cool. And you may need to tell your students that they will have to click to enable Adobe Flash Player, and this should work on any Chromebook. And so here we go. They can have data. So colleges, SAT math scores. This could even work for like an IB class, for example, right? And then you can click. Let's see. Go back to new. My data. I'm playing around with this for the first time as well. So we'll go. There's data here. Let's see what this does. Well, I can create another row. I can add data if I wanted to. You could do this for your kids. And then there are instructions down here. Right, and you can have the students go through that, or you can use it as part of your lesson. You can even record it with Screencastify and do it as part of your lesson. And then leave this exploration as a prompt for your kids. Either way, before you do any of these, I would definitely read through all of this. I would play around with it and figure out how you want to use these activities. But these could be really helpful for you to incorporate. So again, it's all of the interactives that are free. All the interactives that are free, and you have several to choose from. You got solids, because that's coming up in geometry. Theoretical outcomes, that's pretty cool. So there are a few things for you to use here. And let's say I do want to give this to my students. I can just click it and then go up here, select the URL, Control-C for copy, and then I can go to my Google Classroom. And in my Google Classroom, I can create a new assignment, and then in the instructions here, just put in the resource and then give it a title, so project 1, whatever it is, and then assign it to the students, and then work from it that way. So make use of this amazing free resource for right now. It is NCTM Illuminations, and it is the interactives. Thanks.